Hey everyone, if you're someone who's ever freelanced or hired a freelancer, you've likely come across the Form 1099 NEC. But what exactly is it and why is it so important for your taxes? Let's dive right in. First off, the NEC in Form 1099 NEC stands for Non-Employee Compensation. This form is crucial because it's how the IRS tracks money paid to freelancers, independent contractors, and other non-employees throughout the financial year. If you paid someone at least $600 for services during the year, you need to fill out a 1099 NEC. Now, why is this form so critical? For starters, it ensures that everyone pays their fair share of taxes. As a freelancer, receiving a 1099 NEC means you need to report that income on your tax return. And if you're the one paying out, issuing this form keeps your business compliant with IRS rules. Here's where it gets a bit technical, but stay with me. If you're issuing a 1099 NEC, you need to send out copies to the contractor and the IRS. There's also a specific deadline for this, which is usually January 31st of the following year. Missing this deadline can lead to penalties, so mark your calendar. One common question I get is, what if I pay someone through platforms like PayPal or Venmo? Well, in that case, things might be different. These platforms might issue a Form 1099K instead if the total amount you paid is over a certain threshold. This is why keeping good records of how you make payments is crucial. To wrap this up, remember Form 1099 NEC is not just another piece of paperwork. It's a key element of your tax compliance strategy, whether you're a freelancer or a business owner. Ensuring you handle this form correctly can save you a lot of headaches when tax season rolls around. So, take a moment to check your records, see if you need to issue or expect any 1099 NX, and take action accordingly. Stay prepared, stay informed, and here's to keeping things smooth this tax season.